Hi and welcome back to our channel. As promised, every Friday I will be posting additional video which is going to be traditional recipe. This week we will concentrate on how to make the perfect German creamed spinach in those 6 simple steps. This recipe is for 3 people and I am using 500 grams of spinach. But let me just start here. So in the first step, you're going to preheat the pan over medium heat and add the butter and let it melt. In the meantime, you're going to peel and chop the onion. As soon as you see that the butter bubbles, you will add the onion and fry it on the medium heat until translucent. And I almost forgot, don't forget to add a few pinches of salt to the chopped onions. Then you're gonna add the frozen spinach and wait until it melts. And now it's the time to add the cream to the spinach. Stir everything which you've got in the pan very well and add the half cube of bouillon. In the meanwhile, you can dissolve the flour in a few tablespoons of cold water in a small cup. I like my spinach to be extremely thick and therefore I use a little bit more flour than in the other recipes. Before I add flour and water mixture to the spinach, I usually add the spinach to the flour water mixture first, so it gets a bit warmer. And this is how I prevent the lumps. After this, I add the mixture to the spinach finally and mix all well. And wait until it starts boiling. At this point, the traditional German cream spinach is ready. You can season it with salt, pepper and fresh nutmeg and serve hot immediately. We like serving our creamed spinach with a very simple mashed potatoes and fried eggs. So that was a quick one. I hope you did enjoy it. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below if there is any other dish you want me to film for you. I wish you all a wonderful Friday and I will see you back here on Sunday.